Poor Sherry was rescued by Guardians of all Voiceless. We are receiving rescues after rescues, most of them are very challenging: broken legs, maggot wounds, severe sickness, and the list goes on and on. Now we have rescued a boy named Sherry who is blind from one eye and seems to have no vision in another one, too. One of our friend Mr. Bobby, who lives in the town near to our city, called us and said one dog is bumping in the walls and has wounds on his face. Though we are already full to the brim, but we couldn't resist ourselves and brought him to the shelter. He got multiple wounds on his face and ear. It's been 3 days since we are taking care of him. Wounds are getting better, but he has still not shown no signs of vision. We just hope that it gets better. Please pray for him and please support the Guardians of all Voiceless.